Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel IHMFLIX. And today we are starting our Excel learning series from absolute to basics for you. In this video, we will understand what Microsoft Excel is, why it is important, and how it is used in several industry or organizations. Since it is our first session, we'll keep it short, simple, and brief. Now, starting with the introduction, we all know what Excel is. It is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft and is used for various purposes like storing, organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in a structured format using rows and columns. Now, talking about the uses of Excel, we all know what are the basics, but let's just discuss it. The first one is data entry, calculation, analysis, reporting, and decision making. I hope we all know these basics. Now, why it is important? In today's world, almost every industry works on data, no matter which industry or part of the economy it is. It is a basic skill that one should know. Now, the various importance it has in our daily life is that it saves time, reduces manual errors, analyze large data easily, and create dashboards and reports. There are many other important uses as well. Now, if we take an example of hospitality industry, Excel is used in various ways, like for collecting day to day data about the room occupancy report, guest check in and check out data, revenue and expense tracking, and disbursing like the daily duties of the staff through staff duty rosters. And I believe one of the major use of Excel is in this industry is for inventory and food cost management so that one is able to understand whether they working within their budgets or not. Now we will end this video with a simple Excel example. Suppose there's a hotel paradise and we need to calculate the total amount that it has earned in 3 days. We have the name of the guest, the date on which they have checked in, the type of room that they have booked, the number of nights that they have stayed, and per room rent. We have to calculate the total amount. I believe we all know the simple calculation, that is we multiply the room rate with per night stay. That will be 7,000 for Amit Sharma, who has booked a deluxe room. Now, second, we'll calculate for Neha Verma. We can either use the shortcut Control D to paste the formula that we have used just above the cell, or either we can do copy paste. For Rahul Singh, where the rent is 6,000 per night for a suite and the total amount is 18,000. So, as we have finished with the basic introduction of Excel, in the next topic, we will be understanding what is the Excel interface. So, make sure to open your Excel and work along with me. Thank you.